What is up, my stylish people? This is Sham. Welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another shoes haul, and this time it is from Red Tape. I got 5 different category of shoes, and also the crowd favorite, the chunky sneakers, the white chunky sneakers at a price point of 850 rupees. The price point starts at 700, and all of these are well under 1500 rupees. So I'm not gonna keep emphasis on the price point in this video. Having said that, let us quickly get started. Why not with the chunky sneaker? Because it's our favorite, right? And here it's a white chunky sneaker from Red Tape. It do have some off-white overlays to it, by the way, which I got it at a price point of 800 rupees. This Bond Street by Red Tape London. This is also a sister brand of Red Tape. It's priced at 3,900 rupees. But if you guys know Red Tape, generally they do offer 80 to 90% discounts, not 90. I'm so sorry, 75 to 80% discounts in general. So you can get this anywhere close to 800 to 1000 rupees. Still 1000 rupees, I feel that it's a great buy. So what exactly I liked in the sneaker? Of course, the shape of the sneaker, it's a chunky sneaker, it's a white dad sneakers. The overall construction of the sneaker, I really love it. Be it the cup portion, the shape of the cup portion, and overall height of the sneaker, and the thickness of the sole, both in terms of the height as also in terms of the width, and the backside, the rounded shape of the sneaker. And not to forget, the comfort of the sneakers from Red Tape, I'm really surprised. The comfort is really moderate. I was skeptical about this brand because they do offer 75 to 80% discounts, right? So I thought they might be selling old stocks, or they might be selling subpar quality items which they overprice and then give 80% off and selling still at overpriced territory. But I'm surprised that the quality is really great for this Red Tape options. They have gone with a green color insole. I'm not sure why, but it's a memory foam insole. The comfort of the insole is great. It's optimum when it comes to comfort, and also the padding at the tongue and the side portions, it is also great. If I have to nitpick in terms of the disqualifier, the undersole, it is not too grippy. That's something which you need to consider. Overall, in terms of the shape, they have gone with a Skechers sneaker kind of a shape, or maybe the H&M, my favorite options. If you guys can see here, these are my favorite options, which I'm wearing right now. So they have gone with the exact similar shape, and you're getting it 800. So it's a must buy in case if you're looking out for a chunky sneaker at a price point of close to 1000 rupees. Now let's move on to this box because it's near to me. So this is a Red Tape classic casual, I can say. This is a basic white sneaker, but they do have the blue overlays. They do have them in different colorways, the maroon colorways, or even the just white one, or the gum sole version as well. I have gone with the blue color version because it's looking better than all the other colors when it is combined with the white, at least from what Red Tape offers. So what exactly I liked in this sneaker from Red Tape? But first of all, the price point is somewhere around 1300 to 1200, not below 1000 rupees, but it's a high quality white low top sneakers. Generally, I recommend Puma V2. It's somewhere around the price point of 2000 rupees, 1800 or 2000 give or take. This particular sneaker, the leather seems to be of high quality, and also the laces, the tongue portion, and the best part, the packaging is good, and they do have this shoe tree kind of. Generally, you do get the paper versions, but here you do get this shoe tree kind of a packaging to it, so that you can just tuck in when you're not using your shoes, so that the shoe shape would be retained, and also you don't get creases. You do get creases eventually with the PU leather, how much ever you take care also, but that doesn't mean that you should not take care. And also on the sole, they do have this dotted pattern going on across, and that has been carried forward to the undersole partly as well, with the color coordinate in the blue color, and the blue color tab on the back side, just like the Stan Smith option. It is also very minimal. I would have been even more happy if they would have avoided this particular branding, but it is still fine. The quality of the laces is good, and the branding is minimal. The comfort is great, and you can't get anything better at this particular price point of 1300. In case if you have a budget of close to 1000 rupees for a white sneaker, this can be your go-to option, that is for sure. Now let's go with this fancy box among the Red Tape options. Here we got, this is a Red Tape Flow Plus memory foam. Here they have mentioned it's not actually a sneaker, it's actually a sporty shoe. Means I mentioned you are covered with each and every category of shoe which you would need. Here it's a sporty shoe from Red Tape, and which is priced at 4,900 rupees. They can price how much ever they want to, but this is available somewhere around 1300 or 1200 rupees price point. This immediately resembles me of these Skechers sneakers in terms of their overall shape, in terms of the overall design. Nevertheless, it doesn't matter, right? All of it matters is the quality and the comfort you get and the longevity you get with the particular shoe. It's a full black shoe, just a minimal branding, and that too in the gray color. And when it comes to the material, they have gone with this fabric kind of material that do have a polyester mix to it, but in terms of the breathability, it certainly helps. because of slight perforations it almost resembles like a sock shoe. And they have this branding called Flow Plus. When it comes to the sole, they have this different kind of sole which is spongy as well. If you press it, you can literally feel it. And also the insole for this particular shoe, it's made of memory foam, just like the shoe number 1. And the insole is medium when it comes to comfort. Overall, it's a comfortable shoe, but not something like which you will get in Skechers. You will feel that as if you are walking on a foam. That's something which is not needed for a gym shoe or running shoe, right? So they have gone with the moderate comfort, and it is certainly fine. And also in terms of the lacing, the minimal attention to detail, if you can see, they have this black and gray color combination going across. In terms of the branding, they have gone with the gray color, and also in terms of the design of the laces, I mean the color of the laces, they have gone with the black with the minor dots of the gray color. And that's not all. The focus for this shoe is at the undersole. You do get this huge bubble kind of a things which adds to the overall comfort. This is some sort of technology which they have gone with, just like the Skechers or maybe the Nike A's, they have their similar sort of technology, the A Max. I mean, this is the cheaper version of that, but still it is comfortable. Now, let's move on to the category number 4, which is the athleisure category. And for this, I have gone with this beige and white color combination sneaker from Red Tape. This I got at a price point of somewhere around 1500 or 1600, maybe a tad 100 rupees more than that. Even though it costed more than the target price point I kept for this video, it is not one of my favorite for a few reasons. To start with, I love the color combinations, by the way, but I didn't like the construction of this particular shoe. One, even though it's a knit kind of material which is covered, the material is like really flimsy. I'm really skeptical about the durability of this particular shoe. After maybe 10 or 15 wears, it can't retain its quality. It's clean and it's minimal. With the white and beige color combination, it looks good. And also the comfort, just like the previous options, it's a Flow Plus technology from the Red Tape, which is basically they use the memory foam insole. So it have an optimum comfort as well, but in case if it is not durable enough, there's no point in investing in this option. So I will not recommend this particular option, even though it looks cool. Now, moving on to the last category, but certainly not the least. In fact, it is one of the fun category when it comes to the shoes. Those are the party shoes. If you want an party shoes or maybe the streetwear kind of a shoes from Red Tape, in terms of the colors, this metallic gray color is the one to go. So moving on to the last sneaker, it is a metallic gray color low top sneaker from Red Tape that I got at a price point of somewhere around 1500 to 1600 rupees price point. So what exactly I liked in this particular sneaker? Of course, it is ultra casual, but if you are going with a monochromatic outfit, you are good to go. Or in case if you want to just color block the outfit, you are good to go with these options. And what exactly I liked is their attention to detail. Means the basic metallic gray, it's not too bold in your face kind of a color. Yes, it's certainly shiny, I do understand, but their branding, they have color coordinated. Their laces, they have color coordinated, and also the insole and the tongue portion, everything has been, they have this embossed dotted texture on the sole, but that makes the sole look more like an off-white rather than the complete white, which would have been more contrasting with the metallic gray. So they have minimized the overall look, the party look of the sneaker, and tune it down to more everyday use. It may not be for everyday use, that is for sure, but certainly it's not just limited to parties or that kind of a ultra casual use. This may not be the sneaker for each and every one of you guys, but I just wanted to make sure that what are the different category of shoes that are available from Red Tape and how is the quality in general. Bearing that one athleisure option where the quality is like really bad, the other options are really great in terms of the quality. I'm actually surprised with this brand offerings, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do let me know in the comment section below which of the category of sneakers you loved in this video, or what are the sneakers which you liked from the Red Tape. Having said that, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to this channel for more awesome content like this. That is it from me. See you next time.